Welcome back again. Now the last exercise we'll be moving on with exercise chapter number 10. We'll now be doing exercise 10B, which will be covered inshallah in the month of December. Last 2 weeks you can say, or the last week. We will now be dealing with exercise 10B now. Chalo. For exercise 10B, the game is now a little bit changed. We are not now given. We are now given. You can say we are now given the word problems, and we will now from the with the help of word problems we will be making the diagrams. With the help of word problems, we will be constructing the diagram so that we can solve it with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Now, like I said, the major important thing while we are considering the most important and major thing while we are considering. Sorry for the background music. Chalo ji. Now, like I said, now we are given word problems, and with the help of the word problems, we will be constructing diagrams. And like I said, the most and the major important thing is to figure out that what they are trying to say. Is to figure out what they are trying to say. For example, they are saying that there are some cables that are supported by a vertical force. Some cables are being supported by a vertical force. अच्छा vertical force का मतलब क्या है? The vertical force. अच्छा cables कैसे supported है? The cables are being supported by a vertical force with a height of 47 meters. So he is saying that the very first and major important thing was the vertical force, and he has given me the height of the vertical force as well, which is what? That is 47 meters. 47 meters. Actually, after that, he has clearly said it to me that the cables are attached from the top of the post to a point of a level ground. They are attached in such a way. How are the cables attached? The cables are attached from the top of the post. Top of the post क्या हुआ? This is the top of the post, and they are attached from what? They are attached in such a way. They are attached in such a way that they are 18 meter away. They are attached from the top of post to the level ground. Ground level तो यही होगा ना? This is the ground level. If this is top vertical post, this is the top, this is the bottom, and obviously the bottom will be the ground level. So that this post, vertical post, 47 meters. Top of the ground, from the top of the ground, from the top of the post, the vertical posts are attached to the level ground. From the top to the level ground, they are attached. This is the ground level. This is obviously the ground level. Okay, this is the ground level. This is the top of post. They are attached in such a way that they are 18 meter away from the level. They are inside that they are 18 meter away from the what? From the ground. From the bottom of the vertical post. Let me repeat it again. The post is vertical, that is 47 meters, and they are the wires are attached in such a way that they are attached from the top to the level ground, and the wires are in such a way that they are wired in such a way that from the ground level they are 18 meter away from the vertical. They are attached at the ground level, and the point where they are attached at the ground level, it is 18 meter away from the vertical post. Okay, it is clearly said that the cables are attached from the top of the post to a point on the level ground 18 meter away from the foot of the post. From the foot of the post, ये top है, top of the, and is what? ये foot हो गया, and they are what? 18 meter away. What is the question asking? The question is asking find the length of each cable. Find the length of each cable. अब cables कैसे attached है? Cables हमारे ये रहा ना cable what? Cable was attached 18 meter away from the foot. 18 meter away from the foot हो गया ये. The height is what? Height of the top is what? Cable की ये क्या हो गया? These are what? These are what? They are the cables. They are the cables. अब length of each cable कैसे निकलेगी? Obviously it's a right angle triangle being made. It is a right angle triangle being made. Can I find out the cable of the triangle? Can I find out the length of the triangle with the help of Pythagoras theorem? Yes. Hypotenuse हो गया. Let me name it x. और let me name it L. Length है तो let me name it L. is your wish. L square is equal to 47 square plus what? 18 square. As simple as that. I can now solve it easily. Basically, this exercise is all about the word DLI world application of the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let's have a look on question number 2 now. I will only be making diagrams. Okay. For example, we talk about question number 2. He is said that each side of a square field is 50 meters long. Each side of a square field. A square case होता है. All the sides are what? Equal. So if this is 50 meters, the like he said, this will also be 50 meters. सही है? Each square is of what? They are of 50 meters, right? तो ये 50 है तो बाबा ये भी 50 होगा. Each side is what? 50 है. Now what? Up, for example, if I ask you people, okay, what will I do? अच्छा जी, a barricade is to be placed along the diagonal of the field. How was the field? This is a square field. A barricade meaning a barrier. A barrier is being placed. A barrier is being placed diagonally. कैसे भाई diagonally? अब diagonal क्या होता है? From one point to the other point. From one point to the other point. From one point to the opposite of the other point. ऐसे होता है diagonal. Diagonals क्या होता है? This is the diagonal and this is also a diagonal. Right? From one point, from one corner to the second opposite corner. From one vertex to the other opposite vertex वो diagonal होगा. अब a barricade is placed along the diagonally placed हुआ है. So okay, I know that what now he is asking me the length of the barricade basically. वो पूछ रहा है find the length of this barricade. अब वो इस barrier की क्या पूछ रहा है? He is asking me the length of the barrier. That is quite easy. Right angle triangle बन रहा है. A right angle triangle is made. This is 50. This is 50. Hypotenuse क्या हो जाएगा? This is what? This will now be what? This is the hypotenuse. I can easily find it out. Let me name it length. Length मांग रहा है. Let me name it L again. L square is equal to 50 square plus 50 square. As simple as that. Okay. Actually, let's move further. Let's move ahead on question number 3 now. Well, I guess you can solve these questions quite easily because the main thing is to highlight the important information and you can do it quite easily. Now let's have a look on question number 3. He said that it's a rectangular swimming pool. Rectangular. So हमारे ध्यान में सबसे पहला क्या है? Let's make a rectangle. The very first thing that I'll be doing is to make a rectangle. Let's make a rectangle. Okay, he said me that this is a rectangle being made, so I made a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle is being made. After that, he is asking me the rectangular swimming pool has a length of 50 meters and a breadth of 30 meters. Length कितनी है? Length is what? 50. Length is 50 and the breadth is 30. So diagram थोड़ा सा length is 50 ना? Length is 50. And the breadth is what? Length is 50 meters and the breadth is what? 30 meters. Okay, length is 50 and the breadth is 30. Okay? Now what? He is asking me that during a test, Ethan is to swim from one corner of the pool to the opposite corner. From one corner of the pool, एक corner pool का ये है, तो दूसरा corner क्या होगा? Obviously that will be the corner. Obviously that will be the second corner. If this is the what? From one corner of the pool to the opposite corner. There the boy who needs to swim from one corner to the opposite corner. एक corner से कहाँ जाना है? दूसरे corner जाना है. So obviously he is asking me the what? He is asking me the length of the diagonal again. He is asking me the length of the diagonal again. Okay, so I will be waiting. I know the rectangle is always a what? Rectangles में क्या होता है? Rectangles are always the two sides are always making a 90-degree angle in rectangle. The two sides of the rectangles, the length and breadth are always making a what? They are always making a 90-degree angle. Okay, 50, 30. He is asking that how much he has to swim. He has to swim from one corner to the opposite corner. एक कोने से दूसरे कोने कहाँ तक जाएगा? यहाँ तक जाएगा ना obviously. Let me name it. He is asking me how much he has to swim. So let me name it m. Let me name it x. Let me name it m. Let me name it l. जो भी है. So how will I measure it? Obviously, with the help of Pythagoras theorem again. Let me name it x. That he has to swim x meters. X square is equal to what? 50 square plus 30 square. Okay, this is how we need to swim. Otherwise, just don't. Okay, that is how he needs to swim. Yeah, I guess. Is it better now? Can you see the marker, the writing better, or it's? I guess it's better. Okay, Achari. Sorry, the marker, there is no ink. Achari. Now let's have a look on question number 4. Okay, let's have a look on question 5 instead. Okay. Okay, Mr. Lee, there's a guy who has bought a TV recently. There's a guy who has bought a TV recently, and basically question number 5 now. This is question number 5. Okay, there's a guy who has recently bought a TV that is of 30 inches television. 30 inches television. The height of the television is 18 inches. Okay. He has got 30 inches television. Let me first, like we read in the previous question, let us first take out the important information now. सबसे पहला काम क्या है? A, let us highlight the figures that have been given. The television is what? The television is 30 inches and the screen is 18 inches. Screen कितनी है? Height of the screen is what? Height of the screen is 18 inches. Height of the screen is what? 18 inches. Okay, height of the screen is what? 18 inches. अच्छा जी, आगे बढ़ते हैं. The next thing is, given that the television screens are measured across the diagonal. He is now saying television था कितना? Television was a rectangle. Television was a rectangle basically. Okay, television is basically a rectangle. He is saying that the height of the rectangle, the height of the televisions are measured across the triangle. Okay, that is the length of the diagonal is 30 inches. Okay, they are telling me that the television screens are measured across. The television are measured across, meaning that the televisions are measured what? The televisions are measured diagonally. Televisions are measured diagonally. Okay, so he told us that the length of the television was what? 30 meters, 30 inches, right? कितनी थी? Length 30 inches थी. Yes, the length was 30 inches. So, and he is telling me that the televisions are made what? They are measured diagonally. They are measured diagonally. So, if I, sorry for the, yes, they are measured what diagonally? So diagonally कितना होगा? Diagonal की length कितनी हो गई? 30 inches हो गई. And I know the height of the triangle. Height of the TV was what? Height of the TV was what? 18 inches, right? Height is the diagonal is what? 30. The height is what? 18. Okay, this is question number 5, boys and girls. He is asking me the length of the diagonal. He is asking me that how wide is the screen? How wide is the screen? How wide is the screen? Now easily apply Pythagoras theorem. I know that the rectangle, the two sides of a rectangle always make a what? 90 degree. So क्या हो जाएगा? 30. Hypotenuse is 30 square is equals to, let me name it W. Wideness पूछा है ना? Wideness कितनी होगी? Wideness. Okay. Now wideness is you can say wide W square plus 18 square. I can easily do this as well, right? Acha ji. Let's have a look on the question in which the diagram has been given to you. Let's have a look at question number 6. Okay. Let's have a look on question number 6. Okay, boys. Let's have a look on question number 6 now. Boys and girls. Let's have a look at question number 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 और आगे बढ़ते हैं हम छठे क्वेश्चन की तरफ। गुज़िश्ता क्लास में हमने छठा क्वेश्चन नहीं किया था, इस क्लास में हम छठा क्वेश्चन करेंगे, ठीक है। अच्छा, now what? If I have a look, there are two buildings. Basically, a diagram has been given to you, and they are saying that there are two vertical buildings. There are two vertical buildings of height 30 meters. There are two vertical buildings of height 30 meters. एक भाई एक की height कितनी है भैया? 30 meters. The height of one building is 30 meters. Also, the diagram has been made for you now. Don't get confused with it. The height of the second building is what? 37 meters. This is 30 and this all is what? This all is what? 37 now. 37 meters. Now they are saying that yes, साफ नहीं नजर आ रहा यार, ये क्या बुराई है? Is it better? Yes, it's better. So this is 37. This is 37. This whole fish, this whole length is what? 37 meters. Okay. This whole length is 37. This is 30. Sorry for the bad picture quality. Markers ने बाकी थोड़ा सा bad सीन कर दिया है. अच्छा. Now what he is asking me that a cable is pulled out of a taut and attached at the top of the taut. A cable is, this is the cable that they are talking about. They have pulled out a cable that they have pulled from one building to the other one. Okay. And now they are asking us that we have to. They are saying that the distance between these two buildings is what? The distance between these two buildings. The distance between these two buildings is 16 meters. Okay, I hope you can see the 16. Okay, this is 16 meters. The distance between the two buildings is 16 meters. This is 16. This is 16. This is what? This is 16 meters. This is 37. The second one is 30. Okay. The second one is 30. अच्छा जी, अब क्या करूँगा? I hope this is quite clear. Yes, it is clear, यार. Boys and girls, I hope you can cooperate with me and हो जाएगा. Okay. This is 37. This is 30. Now what? Now, if I want you, they are asking me that I find the length of the cable. They are asking me to find the length of this cable. That cable is from one building to the building. They are asking me to tell me this length. Okay. For telling you this length, how will I measure it? Now, let's have a look on it very carefully. I know this is 16. This will also be 16. Right, boys and girls? This is 16, so this will also be 16 meters, right? Okay, we know that this is 16, so this will also be what? 16. And I also know that if I want to find out this length, I have this length. ये right angle triangle बना है. Is it a right angle triangle? Yes. If this is a right angle triangle, if I go straight, are these two lines perpendicular? Yes, they are perpendicular. If these two lines are perpendicular, it means that there will be a 90-degree angle being made. Yes, there will be a 90-degree angle being made. This is 16. K 16 है. This is what? This is what? This is what? This is 7 basically. This is what? This is. How is it 7? What is the difference between the two heights? ये 30 है. ये 37 है. 37 minus 30. What will it be? It will be obviously 7. The difference between the height of the two triangles is what? 7 meters. Now can I easily find out the length of the cables? Yes, I can. I can easily find out the length of the cables now. It is what? ये 16 है, ये 7 है. Now what? He wants me to. What is it? What side is it? Is it the hypotenuse or what? It's the hypotenuse because it is opposite to what? Let me name it L. L square is equals to L square is equals to L square is equals to what? 716 square plus 7 square. I can easily solve it. यार अब सही है. पहले बहुत गंदी थी. Opening the door is a better option. Yes. अच्छा जी. ठीक है. Is it better? Yes, it's a lot better. Okay, girls and boys. Yes, guys and girls. 16 and 7. I found out the length of triangle. अच्छा जी. Okay. Let's have a look on. If the rest of the questions are, you can say the diagrams are being made and they can be done quite easily. Yes. Okay. That's all for this exercise. Inshallah. This is all of 10B. And I guess the rest of the questions can be done by you people quite easily. I do not see any problem in the rest of the questions. Yes, I do not see any problem in the rest of the questions. Okay, let's have a look on question number 9. It's a little bit interesting. If I talk about question number 9, it is asking me the length of BQ and the height. Okay, let's have a look on question number 9 now. Let me pause the video so that the time in making the video is not being recorded. Making the diagram. Now, there's a regime of. Basically, the question is saying that we have to find out the value of BQ and we have to find out the value. What is BQ? This is BQ. Let me name it X. Then we have to find out the BQ and we have to find out the value of HK. Let me name it Y. We have to find out this value and we have to find out this value basically. BQ, HK. This is I named this X, I've named that Y. Okay. Now what? For example, the first thing I'll be doing, finding out the value of X. X is quite easy. Finding out the value of X is quite easy. Azan breaks. Let me pause it for a minute. Yes. Now, for finding out the value of BQ, I can easily apply the Pythagoras theorem because he has told me that this is a right angle triangle, right? While this is a right angle triangle, let me consider triangle BKQ. BKQ. I am considering triangle BKQ only. Okay, triangle BKQ only. Okay, triangle BKQ. Triangle. Now, triangle BKQ. While I am considering triangle BKQ, I know that the hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus the base square, right? So, what is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is what? KQ is 21 square. 21 square plus the perpendicular square. What is the perpendicular? Let me name it X. X square plus the base square, that is 17.2. Okay, I can easily solve it now. Yes, I can. I can easily solve it now. I hope it is visible to you people. Yes, it is. 21 square is equal to X square plus 17.2 square. Now, after further doing it, let me say that the value of X is somewhat 19 centimeter. I figured out that the value of 8 is 19 meters. Okay, this is just I have not calculated the exact value. I am just assuming it, and the calculations are your part only. Now what? For calculating the value of X, for now, the next step I'll be doing is I need to find out the value of Y. How will I find out the value of Y? Now let me consider the triangle. Now let me consider a triangle HBP. HBP. I'm considering this whole triangle now. अच्छा जी. अब But क्या करूँगा मैं उसके लिए? What will I do? I need to find out the value of phi. I need to have two known values. Do I have two known values for finding out this triangle? For finding out distance? Yes, I have. How? I know the hypotenuse. I know the hypotenuse, but do I know the perpendicular? Yes, I know it, but indirectly. Because, for example, the value of x is 19. I'm just assumed it. I do not know the exact value. So the value of BP, will be equivalent to 19, that plus 12.7. Okay, 19. Like I said, I've just assumed the value of x, that is 19. I have not calculated 19 plus 12.7. Calculation is your part. Okay. The value of 19 plus 12.7 is, for example, it gives me 31.7. 31.7 meters. This is 31.7 meters. This is 37. This is 39. So, for example, I want you to find out the value of HB. So, 37 square. I am considering this whole triangle. I know the hypotenuse, I know the perpendicular. I want to know the base of it now. So 39 square is equal to what? HB square plus 12.7 square. Sorry, 31.7 square. Because I've added both of them, x plus PQ. Okay. I've for BP, क्या किया? What have I done for BP? I've added the value of x, that is 19 plus 12.7. Okay, this won't be correct because I'm just assuming it. I'm not calculating it for you people. Calculation is your part. I'm just giving out the concepts. Okay, girls and boys. So now what? 39 square is equal to HB square. HB square plus the whole, that is 30 PB square, that is 31.7. For example, after the calculation, I get the value of HP. I get the value of HB somewhat. The whole value of HB somewhat 38 meters. Okay. I am not calculating it again. I am just giving out the concept. The whole after that, the whole value comes as 38 meters. Now 38 meters. For 38 meters, I want to have this. This 38 meters. मुझे value किसकी चाहिए? I want the value of y only. I want the value of hk only. Right? I want what value do I want? I want the value of hk only. For finding out the value of hk, क्या करूँगा? I need to subtract it. HB is equals to what? HB is equals to hk plus KB, right? So HB is 38. HB is 38. HK is what? HK is Y. And the value of KB is given, that is 17. I'll just subtract and I'll get the answer. Okay, that is how I'll be using it. The main thing is to understand the question and apply the Pythagoras theorem. That's it. That's all for today. Exercise 10B. I have just explained the you can say the limited question 10B, 9, 10B because all of them are similar and it can be done by themselves. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.